Hi guys, welcome back into another video with Quadri. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to earn free Remitano token. Remitano is an cryptocurrency exchange website where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency through peer-to-peer. So yeah, but so they are launching their own cryptocurrency, which is RENEC, but it's still very early now. So you can start mining RENEC for free now. So you mine RENEC for free now. So it's being mined for free. All you have to do is to download the Remitano wallet app. I'll leave a link in the description where you can download it. You should download the Remitano wallet app and do the KYC, that is know your customer, the registration fully. So I've been using this wallet for past 5 years. You can see my history. So I've been using this wallet for the past 5 years. Accounts created 5 years ago. So for you to earn, after you download the app, just register and do the KYC, do the bank verification and phone number, everything. Verify your identity properly. Then you can earn RENEC by going to earn RENEC. So if you go to earn RENEC, you can start mining. So you'll be given 0.02 RENEC per hour. So in 24 hours you earn 48 RENEC. So you can do that by you can start mining RENEC for free. Guys, please, I told you guys, don't joke with exchangers token. This one now is free. It's free token now. You can earn it for free for the couple of days before they start before the coin is launched properly. So they are giving people as airdrop. So all you have to do is to earn it by logging into the website every day and mine the coin. So I see I've mined up to 23.52. I've mined 23.52 RENEC for the past few days. So today now I'm going to mine today's one. Now I'll just click on start mining, then boom, in the next 24 hours again I can come back to earn RENEC. So see, my balance has increased. So I've earned 24 RENEC in total now. So if it's launched now and the price starts at, let's say, like $5 or $10, so you know how much that is. You just earn for free. Don't joke with exchangers token. See you in my next video. If you've not subscribed, guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, guys, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos you'll be notified and get into the videos immediately. See you guys.